everybody. Today I'm going to make a pasta, pesto, pepperoni dish. And the pepperoni came from the salvage food store I shop at sometimes, like where I got the 40 pounds of bacon for $50. And I got this big bag for $4.99. And the only thing is, there's a lot of sliced pepperoni in here, but every now and then you'll come across a thicker chunk like that. And so I cut that down thinner. But it's really good pepperoni. This is 2 pounds for $4.99. And so I have a lot of pepperoni to use, and I love pesto. And so I just came up with this thinking it would be something good. So we'll go ahead and get started. And this is the contraption that I bought recently and did a little, well, I showed you about it in a video recently. So that's what we're gonna cook, some penne, and I'm just gonna do it in there. And I'm only gonna do about 1/3 of a box because, you know, any more and I just think it would be too much. So I have to reach around here and get my kettle thing. And this just boils hot water. It's from the company called IKJCH or IKICH. But anyway, I really enjoy this. It's great if you're making oatmeal or cream of wheat, or like for now, or instant coffee. Heating up your water really quick. So we're gonna just leave that in here for about 11 or 12 minutes. And then it will be cooked. And you put this on and you strain your water out with that. Make sure it's on. And then you just put your little lid on and set it to the side. And this is just like a cozy to help keep your water hot. So now we're going to go ahead and cook. And to this pan, I'm going to add the pepperoni that I cut up. And the heat is going to bring out some of the fat in the pepperoni, and it will go into the other food, and it will be so good. Then I have half of an onion here, and I'm just going to cut it up and saute it with that pepperoni. So that goes in. And just give it a chance for the onion to saute and the pepperoni to get good and hot, maybe a little bit crispy. And we have to wait on our macaroni to cook. So while we're waiting on all that to happen, I will go and I will come back when this much has gotten done. So the pasta finished cooking, and I went ahead and poured the water off of it, and it cooked perfectly. I love this little thing to cook pasta in because as I said in the video when I was explaining about this, There are several things that I really hate to do, and for some reason, cooking pasta is one of them. So, I hope that's not too crooked. So, the onions and the pepperoni cooked. Now we're stirring up the pasta in it, and now we're going to add some basil, not basil, but pesto. It's basil pesto. I got this at Dollar Tree, and their basil there is really good. I'm not sure if I need to add 1 or 2 jars of it, because I do like to be able to taste the pesto really good. So let me stir that up and see what I think. And I believe it's going to need the second jar for my taste. For you, you may not need it, and it would be good without it, but I think for me, I'm going to go ahead and add that second jar. Well, maybe not. You know, I don't think I will, because that is pretty full of pesto. So this is the recipe. The only thing I would say, and I forgot to bring it over here, is when you serve it, maybe you'd like to put a little Parmesan cheese on it. I'm reaching to get a bowl so I can serve some. I'm sorry, I forgot to get that beforehand. Well, this is not a very good serving spoon. Okay, and here it is. And this is really full of flavor with that heated up pepperoni and the pasta, or not the pasta, the pesto and all. It's really, really good. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope that you're able to make this also, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Do something good for yourself. Do something good for somebody else. It means more than anything at this time in our lives. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.